Hi, this is Brian from the Riverside Reptiles Education Center. I'm actually at my house where I have the incubator that was filled with python eggs, Burmese python eggs, and now they have all hatched. And we're going to move them into a tank right now because they're ready to get out of the incubator. As you can see, they are ready to go. They're all hissing and snapping at me. Baby snakes and baby pythons are usually pretty offensive because they're seeing people for the first time. So I'm going to use a snake hook because I don't have a lot of band-aids in my house. So we are going to count and see how many there are. It was hard to get a total count of eggs just because their eggs stick together, and she kind of laid them in a big pile, so I couldn't really count all the eggs that were underneath. I'm guessing there was 26 or 27 of them, but we'll see. All right. I'm gonna attempt to do this with one hand, which is not easy. Here we go. 1, 2, 9, 10, 16, 17, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 babies are out. We'll just double check, make sure no one's got stuck in their egg. Oh, everyone's good. And I did remove one egg early in the incubation period. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I never removed it. One egg was bad. It went bad early in the incubation, but it was stuck to the other one, so I didn't want to remove it. So there was 26 eggs, and 25 of them hatched. So not bad. So 25 baby biting Burmese pythons.